Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm here with the new video of Class 8, Unit 14, Reading Second. If I was a superhero, we will discuss everything reading second, grammar second, and writing second in this video. Let us start. First one is solve the crossword puzzle. You will get the words only. A special character with superhuman power. It's a superhero. Next one is a tall and narrow structure. It's tower. Insects that produce honey, its bees, having a special power to make things happen, magical. Next, downward, reaching out as far as possible, it outstretched, certainly without any doubt, sure, a kind of liquid that is said to cure illness, its potion. Fill in the blanks, use information from the poem. Before we start that, I want you all to subscribe the channel because we please subscribe our channel because we upload new video almost every day and we don't want you to miss any. So please subscribe, and if you have any problem you can send us to 980781211 WhatsApp number. So let's talk about the question. The speaker wants to fly stretching the arms. Next one, the strong legs would be used to jump over the towers. The oceans would be saved with magical potions. The speakers would save all the trees, mountains, and rivers. The poor would be helped with food, and the world would be better place because of the speaker. Okay, if you were a superhero, what would you do? List down at least 5 things you want to do, and here are the 5 things. If I were a superhero, here are 5 things I would want to do. First one is help the earth. I would clean up the oceans, stop people from throwing garbage everywhere, and plant lots of trees to make the earth healthy. By the way, it's healthy, not healthy, but most of us read healthy, that's why. Help people. I would save people from big storms, give food and homes to those who don't have them, and make sure everyone has clean water. Stop bad acts. I would stop people from who steal or hurt others, making the entire world a safer place. Let's move to point number 4. Teach kindness. I would show people how to be kind and help each other so everyone can live in peace. The last one is make cool inventions. I would make new machines and gadgets to help people, especially in school and hospitals, to make life easier for everyone. That's it. Let's move ahead. Writing second. Read the given news story carefully and discuss these questions. We have a news story here. Nepal begins exporting cement to India by Satish Mishra. Kathmandu, 10 July 2021. Nepal has begun exporting cement to India. Palpa Cement, based in Sunawal 7 of Navalparasi district, says it has begun exporting cement to India for the first time in the country. During a function on Friday, the company announced a beginning of the export of its Tanchen brand. Next. For the current fiscal year, the government has also decided to provide some grant support to the cement companies involved in the export. It has already been a few years since the country has been self-reliant and in cement production. However, the export of cement had not begun. Source English.in linecover.co.ni. Okay, so this has wrongly been typed. You can depend on your book for this. Let's talk about question answer. Read the given news story carefully and discuss these questions. What is the headline of the news story? Headline is the first line. Headline. So Nepal being exported cement to India. Next one, what is the byline of the news story? The byline is Satish Mishra. Next one is when is it written? Date, it's 10th July 2021. Identify the lead of paragraph. The lead of paragraph is Nepal has begun exporting cement to India. Palpa cement, based in Sulwar Seven Navalprasi districts. It has begun exporting cement to India for the first time in the country. So it's the lead line, lead sentence, first sentence, topic sentence. Let's move ahead. Write a news story with the help of the guidelines below. We have a guidelines. Nepal Youth awarded in Delhi. Muhammad Irfan from Baki, National Youth Icon Award 2022, a ceremony held in Delhi, awarded by the Chief Minister of Delhi for his excellent contribution to the field of development. Started career with USAID in Jumala, is very active social and political activist for disability awareness. Now here is the news. Nepali Youth awarded in Delhi by Kritika Jha, Kathmandu, 15th August 2022. Muhammad Irfan from Baki, Nepal has received the National Youth Icon Award 2022. The award was given to him in a special ceremony held in Delhi, India. The Chief Minister of Delhi presented the award to Muhammad Irfan for his excellent work in the field of development. Muhammad started his career with USAID in Jumala, where he worked hard to help people. He is also very active as a social and political activist, especially raising awareness about disabilities. His work has made a big difference in many people's lives. Let us move ahead. Next part, grammar second, conditional sentence. And if you want the video of conditional sentence, you can click the description box, or you can send us message at 980 WhatsApp number, so that we will send you the link. And I hope you might have seen the conditional sentence video in the previous unit, because in reading 14 unit 14 reading first, there is conditional sentence. So let us talk about this. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct option. We have to choose the correct option from the given one. Now see there, if you are hungry, will give. So will give in the second part, in the main clause, is given there. So we have to write V1 or V5 in the if section. So was, where is not proper, are will be there. So what happens in if side, in if clause, if there is verb 1 verb 5, then we write will, shall, will, can, may plus v1 in the main clause, and that's why here is will plus v1. That's why we are going to write v1 v5, which are is suitable here. Now what if you were, again where is there in if side, where is verb 2, so we have to write would plus verb 1. So you do will, this would plus verb 1 is right answer. If they had gone, had plus verb 3, if there is had plus verb 3 in one side, let us say if clause side, we have to write would have verb 3 in the main clause, would have verb 3. So verb 3 is already given and would have is here. Wait, if they had gone to bed early, they've been late for the bus, so would have is here also, wouldn't have. So negative is suitable, negative uh, sentence is required. So wouldn't have been late must be the right answer. A snake, if you touch it, if you touch it, this is verb 1 verb 5. So what happens, a snake, you, if you touch it. Okay, if you touch it, the snake, it may bite. It is not necessary that a snake will bite certainly or surely. So it may bite. Okay, it may bite you. If the event is sure, then we have to write present form v1 v5. But if the event is not sure, we will write may, shall, can, and will plus verb 1. That's why may bite is the right answer. Let us move ahead. uh, Here are the same questions. Okay, if it rains this evening, if it rains, v1 v5 is in conditional sentence, so we have to write shall, will plus verb 1. I stay at home, and it is not necessary that we are going to stay at home, so will plus stay will be the correct answer. Next question, would you talk more? If, okay, so would plus verb 1 is there, then we have to write verb 2, have, had. So this had will be the right answer. Next, Maria would have bought, see there, right? Would have bought takes had plus verb 3. So here is had plus verb 3, had, have had, will have. This had is had plus verb 3. Okay, one had is auxiliary verb, another had is main verb. If I hadn't climbed, so hadn't climbed, had plus verb 3 is there, Next part will be would have verb 3. Would have verb 3, wouldn't have verb 3. Okay, so if I hadn't climbed up the tree, I fallen. So wouldn't have fallen will be the right answer because the sentence wants the negative one. Okay, what if the doors are closed? If the doors are closed, what will happen? Okay, this r is present form, this r is present form, that's why we have to write will plus v1. What will happen if the doors are closed? Okay, I hope you understood well. Now complete the given sentences in any way you like. So if I were you, so if I were you, this where is verb 2, so we have to write any sentence using would plus verb 1. So I would help him. If you call him, this call is v1 v5, so you have to write any sentence using will, shall, may, can plus verb 1. So right answer is he will come tomorrow. I would have called your mother. Would have called. Would have called is in one part, main clause. So you have to write any sentence using had plus verb 3. So if I had known you were sick, this had known is there. If you don't brush your teeth regularly, don't brush. So you have to write this is verb 1 verb 5 in if clause. So we can write any sentence with can, may, shall, will plus verb 1. So you will get cavities. If they didn't hurry, so didn't is verb 2, so we can write any sentence using would plus verb 1. So they would miss the train. We will play golf. Will plus verb 1 is there, so we can write any sentence using verb 1 verb 5. So if it doesn't rain, I can help you. So can plus verb 1 is there, so we can write any sentence using v1 v5 if you don't mind. Okay, so if you have liked the video, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the video. If you want any question solved, or if you want to get your question solved, you can send us message to 980781211 WhatsApp number. See you in the next video. Bye.